Hi everyone, it's Julie. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a vegan blueberry walnuts muffin that is low in fat and oil free, yet it is so full of flavor, it's moist, and it's just so hearty for this fall season. So I just love making muffins, especially when the weather starts to cool down. It is perfect to enjoy in the morning time for breakfast, or in the evening time if you're wanting something nice, warm and hearty before you go to sleep. So let's go ahead and get started with what you guys are going to need for the ingredients. Okay, you guys, so I hope that you liked that recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my muffin for breakfast this morning. And if you liked this video, please click like down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel to receive more videos on healthy plant-based recipes, along with other healthy goodness. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.